I just got back from watching Star Wars Episode 9, and someone in the audience actually applauded this scene. In order to keep this video short, I'm only going to talk about two of the problems in this Disney-fied scene. I'm not saying that Kylo Ren has the best written redemption arc since Zuko from Avatar: The Last Airbender, but it's pretty clear that Disney has been planning his path back to the light side of the Force since his character's introduction in Episode 7. The Reylo kiss completely cheapened Kylo Ren's redemption arc. It turns his final act of saving Rey's life from a selfless act of a newly turned Jedi to a selfish act of saving a loved one's life. And keep in mind that this is how the whole Empire/First Order mess started in the first place. A Jedi couldn't bear the thought of losing a loved one, so he turned to the dark side to find a way to cheat death. And to get that's thematic and all, that love turned a Jedi into a Sith before destroying the Jedi, and then 6 movies later, that same love turns a Sith into a Jedi before destroying the Sith. But something being thematic doesn't automatically make it good storytelling, which leads to my second problem with the kiss. It simply wasn't needed. The kiss didn't add anything to the story, it was just a blatant attempt to appease the Reylo fanbase. I understand that J.J. Abrams had a gargantuan task in closing the Skywalker saga, that too many people wanted too many different things from the final movie, so he had to find ways to make everyone happy, kind of like a compromise, if you will. That's why this movie included obviously pandering scenes like Chewie finally getting his medal, 2 prequel meme references, and closure for Lando's character. Kylo Ren and Rey kissing was just there to make the Reylo fanbase happy. But it's an issue because a movie's role in our society isn't to pander to any specific group, but to tell a story. And I want to make it clear that I do appreciate how J.J. Abrams was able to close up the Skywalker saga. It was a massive responsibility ending a 40-year global phenomenon, but that doesn't mean that the movie didn't have its problems. And one of them was definitely the Kylo Ren and Rey kiss.